Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just tap on story plus icon and then add a story. Suppose I'm adding this and then just tap on close friends. So just make a close friend story, tap on done. Now the story is being made as a close friend story. So it is currently being posted. So once it is posted, if you want to make it change it to Instagram story from close friends to everyone, so you can just edit your close friend list, or you can just clear all and then tap on done. And once you do it, your close friend story will be gone, and then this will be made as a public story. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.